Alright, I'm going to show you how to easily share and upload files to Google Drive on your iPhone. Like this one, directly from the Photos app, for example. So the easiest way to do this is to go to the App Store and download the Google Drive app on your phone. Just search for it, it'll come up in the results. It'll look like this. I already have it installed, but you just tap the blue button, authenticate with your Apple account, and install it. Once it's downloaded, you'll find it on your phone like this. And, of course, you can always open the Google Drive app directly and tap the plus button to upload files, scan documents, take photos, and so on. So I could, for example, choose to upload files, then find something I want to upload in my photo gallery, and proceed to upload my photo to Google Drive that way. But that's not the most intuitive or convenient way to do this. The way I prefer to upload stuff on Google Drive is to do it directly from the apps I already use day to day. So if I want to do it straight from the Photos app, let's say I'm browsing my photos and I see something I want to upload to Google Drive, I'll just tap the little share button here and then tap the Google Drive icon. Now, if you just downloaded the Google Drive app, you're probably not going to see Google Drive in that list right away. To fix that, scroll all the way to the right in that Share menu and tap More. This gives you the full list of apps available in your share sheet. From here, tap Edit. Then you can locate Google Drive from the list. You might need to scroll down to the Suggestions section to locate it, and tap the green plus icon next to it to add it to your favorites. Once it's in your favorites, you can drag it up toward the top if you want quick, easy access every time. Then tap the blue check mark to save. Now, whenever you're in the Photos app and go to share something, Google Drive will be right there without having to swipe and look for it. I'll tap it, choose the folder I want it uploaded to, hit Upload, and that's it. So that's the easiest way to upload to Google Drive. And since this is set at the system level, it works the same way from any app. If I'm in Notes and I want to share something from there, I'll just hit the Share button and Google Drive's right there too. Same thing if I'm in Safari and I want to share a website with someone. I'll tap Share and there's Google Drive again. So that's the pro way to use Google Drive on your iPhone. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.